Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can force power off your Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name is Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So you may want to force power off your phone. Maybe it's freezing and it's not acting properly. Or maybe you want to just power it off because you need to travel, or you need to have it silent, or you want to save battery, so you want to just power it off and leave it off. All right, so I'm going to show you two ways so you can power off your device. So the first way is through the screen of the phone. So what you could do is you could swipe down from the top right corner, and you will notice this power icon up here. Just go ahead and select it. And then here you will have the power off menu, and you can go ahead and hit power off. Once you hit it again, the phone will shut off. Okay, the other way to do it is you can hold volume down and that Gemini or power lock button and hold them for a few seconds until the power off menu appears like this. Then you can release and then just go ahead and select power off and power your phone off. So there you go. That is how you completely power off your Samsung Galaxy S26. So go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.